This video is to help you get logged into FLocabulary. I know you guys have a lot of websites and things that you are going to, but this is FLocabulary. I love FLocabulary, and the fact that they're giving us a free trial is awesome. So I am hoping that with this easy tutorial, you will be able to get logged into FLocab easily and efficiently. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to obviously go to FLocabulary.com, and Mrs. Graves' class, I believe she already has you logged into FLocab. Mrs. Crone's class, you'll be going from the beginning, but all of you could start here and then to get linked up with my class so that when I send you math assignments, then you'll be able to see those. So we're at FLocabulary.com right here, and then we're going to go up here to join a class. So you'll click on join a class, and then you're going to put your class code in. And I would suggest that you copy and paste from Schoology the class code so you know that you get it right. So go to Schoology, Control C, and then come back to this tab and do a Control V, which is paste. So for instance, Mrs. Crone's class is YBGJRJ. And I don't think capitals or lowercase matters, but they give it to us in capitals, so we'll go ahead and use capitals. So you're going to submit that. And then Mrs. Graves' class, this is where yours will be a little different. Yours is going to be, I already have a FLocabulary account, so then it'll connect. You'll have a Mrs. Graves' class account and a My Class account. Mrs. Crone's class, I believe that you will need to put that I am new to FLocabulary, create my account, so you will click here. Then for your username and password, always scroll down, because whenever you can do a login with Google, that's always the best because it already will be attached to your account and you don't have to remember usernames and passwords, and it'll be much easier. So then we're going to go to this login with Google. So we're going to click here. Mrs. Graves' class, if you didn't log in with Google with your original account with Miss Graves, you'll want to put in whatever you have, whatever your username and password is for that. And I'm going to use my daughter's account, Avery, just so that you can see what it looks like, and then also that'll help me to see what it looks like for you as well. So it says Google login successful. Right here, to show that you're in the right classes, you go over here, Crone's class, your teacher is Ruoff, okay? You're going to get assignments. They'll be in this tab here, my assignments. And so I'm going to pause this and go give her an assignment and then show you what that looks like. Okay, so I am back at the login screen for FLocab. Remember, when you get here, you want to click the login with Google when you have that option so that you don't have to put in usernames and passwords and things. So here's Avery's account. You can see that she has an assignment over here that is called multiplying by 9. Where else? You can see up here at assignments, there's one, so she can click on that. When you see this, it shows you that you need to do the video, you need to read and respond, and you need to do a quiz. To start those, you can click go, or you can click on those items individually. So we could click on the video and click start. So you can't hear the video, so I'm not going to play that, and plus you might want to do it in your activity. So then you can see over here, these are other things you can do if you want to, but the yellow dots mean that they were something that I assigned. So if you go to this read and respond, then they give you the a paragraph here. They also give you the option to have it read to you. And then what is the product in the number sentence below? 9 times 7 equals 63. If we read this up here, it would have told us that the product is the answer. In multiplication, the answer is called the product. So which one of these is the answer? It's 63. Then you click down here on confirm answer, and you would go to the next one. Okay, and so you would answer these. I'm just going to go ahead and answer them quickly because I'm hoping to see where your data would go. Then it tells you which one's right or wrong, so you can learn from any mistakes, which we love. And we're just going to do that. Confirm answers. Ooh, I guess right. Okay, so then it says review your answers. We could do that next. Okay. So up here, it also tells you 1 of 3 activities is completed. So you can kind of see when you've done all of the activities that you were supposed to do. Let's go back here. If I go to this one again, if I click on it, it shows me that what my score was, so I can see that I'm completed. And if I go here, you did not complete the video, so I need to do that. And you can go here to see that you have not completed that. I believe you can also go to some of your own, if you want to explore here and do some of the own videos, if you like those. Current events is something that I do with my class. If you go to those, it kind of wraps up the week and gives you some of the news stories. So that's something that you could do if you're interested in kind of local news, but you want to get it in a fun and exciting way. You could take care of that. So that's FLocab. I hope to use it to review some of our topics and to add a little music and fun to your lives. Well, I mean, I know math is fun in itself, but I hope you utilize it well.